Lesson 5 is color change to before. So we'll look at our pattern here, and in row 14, as we come across, we'll see here when we get to this red color change that the color change is actually going to occur 2 stitches before it did in the previous row. So I have my work here. I've come across row 14 and I've done my 6 white stitches here that I need. I left my 6th stitch unfinished. I'm leaving my white string to the back. Grab my red string that's here on the front, yarn over back to front, and pull it through. Snug up that white in the back, snug up your red a little bit, but you want to make sure that you leave enough slack in this line here because you don't want it to be too tight because it's going to make this first red stitch too tight. So then you go ahead, make sure you pick up that red yarn and the stitch, complete your stitch, and same thing here, pick up that red yarn and the white stitch. And then this becomes personal preference when you get back to the red. Sometimes if this piece of red yarn that I had left the slack in is super loose, I will pick it up. If it's really tight, I will leave it be. But you can also pick it up and then pick up that first red stitch. And that can help keep your work nice and neat. Then you don't have any loose threads going throughout there. So that's lesson 5, and we'll be right back for lesson 6.